Hello everyone, welcome back. So now if you see this table, right, we have artist with the two names and then title with unique name. So if I'm trying to delete the records from this, right, if I'm trying to remove the duplicates, okay, if you see I'm getting only one record. So what about my the second title which is not showing? Because even though the artist is same, the title is a little bit different. So when you're formatting the data, we need to be very careful when we are doing this. So if I'm trying to remove this step, uh, right, if you see, I have a Chicago artist with two different titles, and if you see uh, John Cover with two different titles. But when I'm trying to delete the data or trying to delete the duplicates, right, it is showing only one unique record, but I'm missing some of the titles, right? So you should be very careful. We should, I mean, you should be very careful when you're doing such kind of data formatting, right? So I'm going to undo that step. So what I do is now I'm trying to add one more step by adding a column. So I'm trying to giving conditions over here. Right? One is like when the artist is equals to okay Chicago, right? I want to give a number like it should be a one or two. Okay. Let me give it to else. Okay, you can add different records like artist and then equals to Elton John, and then you can add as three. So I'm just giving for the sample example so that you will be a little bit of habit. I mean, you will be get habituated to this different types of formats or how you are assigning with new columns and definitions, right? So I'm giving so now if I'm writing such kind of conditions, right, I'm getting the values for the customer. I can say this is an artist ID, artist ID. But how long? See, if there are number of data, like now if you're dealing with thousands of requests, you cannot do such kind of an activity, right? When you're assigning with a new, additionally writing a new column and you want to add multiple conditions, it's not the right way to do it. So I mean, instead of that, we can have a little bit easy method. So I'll be showing it to you, right? So as as I'm showing it to you, right? This is not the right way. The reason because you are giving the values and you have to write multiple number of conditions through the condition column, right? So it takes a lot of time and effort. So instead, what you do is just duplicate the table which you want to have an artist value IDs, right? So I'm duplicating the values. And what I do is I'm removing the columns, okay, which I don't want. So I'll click control. I'm deleting these records, right? And they are removing the columns. So I have the artist, right? So we can also, I mean, before going to the unique values and assigning the unique values to the artist ID, right? So I mean, I'm just giving two examples over here. So I'm trying to duplicate the column as well, right? And here I'm going to give an index column, okay, from one, okay. So I'm giving an index. So I can say it artist ID, okay. I've given the unique values. See how simple is it when you split down those records, right? And then now if I'm trying to duplicate, now here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are like totally 35 artists, right? Along with the duplicates. Now if I'm trying to delete the duplicate columns, so what I do is remove duplicates. So I have removed the duplicates. Now you can see the artist ID with the distinct values. Now again, if I'm trying to give an index, or if you want to make changes, you can do the changes. I'm just giving an example, right? So I am removing it here. So my artists are 1, 2, 4, which are generated randomly because I've deleted this record. Now similarly, I'll delete this record. Now if you want any sequence, right, you can directly delete it, remove the column, and then directly associate with next column and make it as an artist ID. Now you see total number of artists is 16. So I have split the table and I've created a new table. So which makes us easy in assigning the unique values and like primary values. It will be easy to identify, right? I hope this is easy and easy to catch up, right? So in the next lesson, we'll see how we can proceed with the new concepts. So I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching.